Tēnā koutou tamariki mā. Kei te pēia koutou. How are you all feeling? Ka pai? O kei te pōuri ahau? O kei te pōuri koe? Now, for me, ahau, kei te pai. Right, we're going to do Matariki, the Matariki song, because do you know what? I don't know if everything will return to normal back by then, but Matariki, remember, is in the first week of July normally, so we're going to learn this song, alright? So we're going to start off with the first one, alright, and I'm going to show you the actions first, alright? So can you all go YT, alright? Better shift right in the front. YT, alright? YT means that is the kaitiaki of all the rivers and the fresh water, okay? What do you think this might be? Waiata. Waiata. What do you think that could be? Yep, the waves. So Waiata is the kaitiaki of the oceans. And who's the atua of the oceans? Can you remember? Who is the god of the ocean? In Te Ao Māori, so in the Māori context. So it starts with a T. Waiata. Tangaroa. Tangaroa. So Tangaroa is the god of the ocean, and Waiata is the kaitiaki alongside. Alright? Okay, what about this one? Waipunarangi. Waipunarangi. Who do you think that is? What does that look like? Yes, coming from the sky, the rain, anything that's part of the sky and comes from the sky, alright? Coming down, Waipunarangi. So, comes from Ranginui. Who else is there? YT, so we've done YT, Waiata, Waipunarangi. Now, Tupuanuku, what do you think that looks like? Tupuanuku. Yes, he's the kaitiaki of edible foods. So anything that you eat, edible food, alright? And we do have a god from that, and that god is Haumie Tiketike. Haumie Tiketike, and he's the god of wild and uncultivated foods. Alright? So let's do it again. YT, Waiata, Waipunarangi, Tupuanuku, and Tupuarangi. What do you think that is? Tupuarangi. Over your head, Tupuarangi. What? When you walk into the ngahere, into the bush. So it's the trees and the forest. Now, who's the atua of that? I know you know that. It begins with T. Think about it. Yes, Tāne Mahuta. So Tāne Mahuta and Tupuarangi are alongside each other, making sure everything's okay in those places, all right? So should we do it right from the beginning, all right? Waiti, fresh water. Waiata, the sea. Waipunarangi, from the sky. Tupuanuku, edible foods. Tupuarangi, forest. Now watch this one. Ururangi air. I had to use my hair so that you can see it. What do you think blows your hair around? Yes, the wind. And who's the god of the wind in Te Ao Māori? Yes, Tāwhiri Mātea. Alright, so Ururangi e. Ururangi e. Alright. Pohutukawa. Pohutukawa. What do you think that is? Pohutukawa. It's kind of like love, Pohutukawa. But Pohutukawa is the kaitiaki of all the people that have died and passed away, and all our beautiful memories, the memories that we have. So it's a time to remember. Alright, so Pohutukawa. Now it's not Pohutakawa. You know the tree Pohutu, it's Pohutukawa. Okay? Pohutukawa. Right. So what else is next? We have hiwa I te rangi, and that's the actions for that. Your hands go really wide. Hiwa I te rangi. And you know what hiwa I te rangi is? It's as big as the world. They're your dreams and your aspirations. Everything that you dream and you aspire, so you work towards, that you'd like to achieve or you'd like to get, or right? So hiwa I te rangi, the world is your oyster. All right? And then matariki. Matariki means hui, we gather together. So let's just do it one more time. All right, here we go. Waiti, fresh water, rivers. Waita, the sea. Waipunarangi, from ranginui, the water from the sky. Tupuanuku, edible foods. Tupuarangi, forests. Ururangi air, the wind. Ururangi air. Pohutukawa, the people that have passed away and our beautiful memories. Hiwa I te rangi, our aspirations and our dreams. And me matariki, that's when we gather. And then we go, ngā whetū is, what's ngā whetū? You know that song, Tīrama, Tīrama? Yes, twinkle, the stars. Ngā whetū, that means stars. E piata ata, piata ata means shining. So you have to show with your hands, maybe go outside at night time. Go outside, ask mum first, or take mum with you. Go outside at really when it's dark, and then look at the stars. And how you see the sky is how you do your hands. So this is how I see the sky when I see it. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e, in the sky. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e. Then we start off with matariki. We step to that side, so we go Matariki, 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 Matariki. Waiti, waita, waipunarangi, tupuanuku, tupuarangi, ururangi e. Pohutu kawahi wai te rangi me matariki. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e. Matariki, matariki. Matariki, matariki. Kia ora. Now, do you think I should do it with I'm going to do it with the guitar now, and you guys are going to do the words, all right? Okay, you ready? Here we go. Okay, can you see the words? Hopefully you can see the words. Matariki, 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 matariki. Waiti, waita, waipunarangi, tupuanuku, tupuarangi, ururangi e. Pohutu kawahi wai te rangi me matariki. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e. Ngā whetū e piata ata I te rangi e. Matariki, matariki. Matariki, matariki. Kia ora koutou, kia pai tō rā, have a good day.